This is a 2016 Infiniti QX60. This is the evaporator system purge valve right here. This guy was having problems with his car, RPMs going down and fluctuating a little bit. And it has about 95,000 miles on it, so this came up as one of the codes, also running lean for both banks. It's real easy to change, just these two bolts right here. Oops, sorry about that. These two bolts, that's it. Pop off this electrical connector, and then these two hoses here. But in order to get to it, you have to remove the engine cover, and that's held on by 4 bolts. 10mm, one there, here, and up here. And in order to get to these bottom two here, you need to remove this air intake assembly, which goes right in the front here, and there's a bolt right there, and on the other side too. And then it plugs into the air cleaner assembly here. So just take out those 2 bolts, maneuver it up and pull it off, and then you can get to the cover easy. And I also did the mass airflow sensor, clean that too. Here's the part number. Bought this on Rock Auto for about 80 bucks plus tax and shipping, and I think it was $150 at AutoZone, and I didn't even check with Infiniti. It's probably over $200. That's it. Easy job. Just trying to get to it is the hard part.